airport yɛde ba campaign office Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia campaign officer oni Ashanti region women organizers nyina no behia ya enkomodi no nyina no ekokọ so kama enoma o ka sembi ma Hajia Samira Bawumia yewre hoyi ono aso ati nisuo osi Asante mantemu na musi mikunu ye foreigner enti se mikuru ye foreigner se mikuru ye foreigner na mo refi 2012 tamwa 2012 tama mikunu ekoye campaign wosirim ne Land Cruiser wo ye campaign wie ye okasa wie ya obefra na anya bia ties no one side ni mienu one side osefo no akotutu nyina hwibot ni nyina no a okonya accident ye nyina huni se yewura Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia onya accident ema helicopter ene kofa no ede ni konkre ma yekoy ma no ayarehwe that time kra no na mafa afuru enso we nyina no Asante mantem for mankai ebinom awo Asante mantem wasemikunu eye foreigner meso me ye foreigner se ofiri wo no sabetina Supreme Court wasan musumi ngotwe obetina Supreme Court obedi ma MPP for after I don't know ye ba power se producer tamo free airport no ba no wa ma yehunu ansana yeba yewura Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia esoa ono ankasa ne so yewura Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia soa ono so asa storm Central Region for the second time enam insembia ekokokoko so ti wasa storm Central Region for the second time yewie Hajia Samira triumphantry entry na ewa Ashanti Region no yehwe ne yehwe wia na yakọ the main ogorona ankasa yewura Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia no incoming MPP flag bearer na yakọ no so na yakọ na yakọ akohwe enti producer why krado a yi mayenhwe
Mighty K TV, it is possible. Tune in to Mighty K Online. Mighty K TV, it is possible. Tune in to Mighty K Online. Mighty K TV, it is possible. Tune in to Mighty K Online. Mighty K TV.
That is a triumphant victory. Wodi begino Asante memu ha enti yene na wie no yese sede na yewura no eka no yewura Canada Agyapong okoka no ochebi no wose MPP for the majority tribe no ye akan no we should take over the power from the minority na memejimedi se eno so ntina asan hye yewura Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia abufuo ena wasa storm the Central Region no ani krom back na we make sure say time wa yewura abai fakabo ono ani papa Alhaji Mumuni Bawumia ono eneneye the vice president oneneye the vice chairman to the Northern People's Party na yewura SD Dombo eye chairman na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia papa Alhaji Mumuni Bawumia ono eneneye the vice chairman to Northern People's Party na domo Alhaji Abai Fakabo Jato Kalio Alhaji SD Dombo omu nyina aka ho no mukuta 15 seats. No, they were having 10 seats. Our parliament. And the Oman Papa said, Omono a majority as at that time. They were the majority in parliament. Oman Yidisau. But Omu who said, now Brantier teacher Nibi. Your friend, Dr. Kofi Abrefa Buzia. I don't know what UP okuta 1 seat, just 1 seat or no kwana a member of parliament for the UP. Omu Modimba na Dr. Kofi Abrefa Buzia obo our parliament. Omu se eni ye eduna ekuta ye no 10 seat na ekuta ye no. Yewura yenim se wo kunini. Yenim se wa bein. Yenim se wo yenim diefo. Nyame amo kwa. Na me ma wonyansa wo sa ko school ko sua nimdie wo nimdie you have the experience you have all the qualities a obetimi de di omampani enti ye de ye frisrem ye ne ekuta party no konwa no baku du enti yewura Kofi Abrefa Busia doctor ye de du no beka wo de baako no ho the majority then Kennedy see omuye minority as at this time no omu de adu no ebe kan ba ko no ho ama yetimi nya majority ewo na obi ye useya no ni papa eye the then vice chairman to chief SD Dombo no Sabi yene na ni yi na saadie we sa jinja ye wura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ama wasadi na ni asa hwe central region wutu senya wakoye Kennedy Agyapong kromu defe yesi yesuma obanyansafo Yansuma anamotintin enti producer yi obanyansafo no video na wako storm central region no enu aya na yehwe yi na yehwe
And this regional executive are going to pay me. I'll give them a showdown. Hey, Central region. I'll give them a showdown. I want to prove to Chairman Kuti when you will be our Central region. Now, if Bawumia wins in Central region, you will see what will happen in 2024. I dare them. I am daring Chairman Kuti and the regional executives. So we remember, no one said Jimmy Chua. Adie Besi was Central region. What do you want to try? I'm daring Chairman Kuti and I'm daring the regional executives. Would be a Besi member on showdown. If they win, they will say 2024. What will happen?
And come on, what do you
know? What do you say? And you're ready. How do you mean?
Okay, I am a depa and come on, you know.
from polling station executive to national. Because maybe I'm on this constituencies now it mean winning elections. Now, who person over Obia, who name na same here, who get me out. Just nipa na same here before I would me out. You know, I think as well day. Obia was na same here. Obi wo ho asema ehia no plan se opejuma manaba. Obi wo ho asema ehia no plan se opejuma ama na pesa. Obi wo ho opelo opesika aye business. Obi a contractor contract aye. Obi a kuafo tractor na fertilizer no eni aye kujuma. Obi pe scholarship, obi pe promotion, obi pe se okọ hajj, obi pe se okọ Israel. Obiara na say that only your party for us in here, ultimate war, only Obia Lotima, or one to me and why. It's a Russian LP more since 1992. Ye need database, yet me share Obia said, Yana who said, women organizer, or what, and which is is Ohiano, but ye young man, and I say, Yama, ye need database, only database. Who are flying blind, ultimate war we are the chef from Ega and people. The chef from Ega and people. Usha, your party executives know, your boss, you do 250,000 former and current now. Your boss, Ghana in 33 million. But the database you took up, Nayaji would be an
And this regional executive are going to pay me. I'll give them a showdown. Hey, Central Region. I'll give them a showdown. I want to prove to Chairman Kuti when you will be our Central Region. Now, if Bawumia wins in Central Region, you will see what will happen in 2024. I dare them. I am daring Chairman Kuti and the regional executives. So we remember, no one say Jimmy Chua. Adi Besi was Central Region. What do you try? I'm daring Chairman Kuti and I'm daring the regional executives. Would be a Besi member on showdown. If they win, they will say 2024. What will happen?
And come on, what do you
know? What saying? And you're ready. How do you mean?
Okay, I am a depa and come on, you know.
yo atiefo ye beda mo nyina amase na asem bi eni adanse a yetwa asem ho bi e de ye adanse wo se mitie kana de Agyapong video no asem o kan ni se ode chairman Putin
Mobeti bibi say no care no vote. Na me kan ho pa.
Okay, now kasa campaign no.
Yes. In fact, ye eduma etia MPP.
Mo no care no vote for.
Sure.
After see Iba Umia no.
Sure.
Ko ye eduma tia MPP. Say MPP win ana.
Say no care no vote no. Showdown no. Na no. And the showdown is say yaka enkoye kasa keke. Ye nye bibi na ewiasa fa na nyina hu say nokure ye wotumi a yetumi Mobeti bibi say no care no vote. Mobeti bibi say no. Mobeti bibi say no. Mobeti bibi say no. Mobeti bibi say no care no vote. Na me kan ho pa.
Okay, now kasa campaign no.
Yes. In fact, ye eduma etia MPP.
Mo no care no vote for.
Sure.
After see Iba Umia no.
Sure.
Ko ye eduma tia MPP. Say MPP win ana.
Say no care no vote no. Showdown no. Na no. And the showdown is say yaka enkoye kasa keke. Ye nye bibi na ewiasa fa na nyina hu say nokure ye wotumi a yetumi ye den e de ye bibi.
Enti mo ye den.
Enti ye campaigning against Osono MPP party no. Na baby bia nso a na MP a owo ho e support Dr. Bawumia no ye eduma tia no.
I see.
Enti okan kwe south ubo midi uko okan kwe south a obi a opua ma okan kwe south ye go opposition ubo
Party.
Mobeti bibi say no care no vote. Na me kan ho pa.
Okay, now kasa campaign no.
Yes. In fact, ye eduma etia MPP.
Mo no care no vote for.
Sure.
After see Iba Umia no.
Sure.
Ko ye eduma tia MPP. Say MPP win ana.
Say no care no vote no. Showdown no. Na no. And the showdown is say yaka enkoye kasa keke. Ye nye bibi na ewiasa fa na nyina hu say nokure ye wotumi a
yenye bibi na nkyerɛ sɛ showdown na yɛ kaa yɛ no anasɛ no care no vote no ɛnkɔyɛ just saying for saying sake sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛyɛ adwuma na nipa dasani wote hɔ na woyɛ saa deɛ wei a na ɛyɛ enti sɛ saa sika no a Agyapong 5 million Ghana cedis na wɔn kɔgye yɛ no. They use it against us. They use it against Bawumia, which is very, very bad. Enti media they make us a atiefo, ahwefo, and the video ya be. Yenhwe na ya yenhwe ne ntiemu ne mfamu aba. Na yenhunu se obisi enipa ye cobra ana nyesa ne ka no. Enti se cobra no now we have been able to identify Cobra. Now I quite remember say me kasa say mo we kire Bawumia. Me ka kire no me say dog. Nyankopon pese o do nan esisi yie. Na me pese wo hu atamfo. Na me pese ye hu wo mo ndo MPP. Enu nti ena ya ma nyame ama wani nkunim no. So say de ma me Esther Nyameche. Nyanyum no kan no. O say ye Nyankopon wadi ekosie na watretini ansa na wadi aba now no na me atretini wo Dr. Mamadu Bawumia na me atretini wo Dr. Bawumia me de me mpa abone se wobekọ wanim tin se de be ya unko kasa bisu a ebeba be ye the same kasa na enti atiefo ye de mu besia na ma subscribe to Mighty K TV Osha na wa wososo ama woso yonko na wono so ahwe bi aha de party mu asem trudu na yeka enti yi Kennedy de no na yi ne emfa enya atiefo kwan akina so mo be ye be show mu Samira live update ene dia ekoso no yakra mo nyame nkamo.
And this regional executive are going to pay me. I'll give them a showdown.
Hey!
Central region. I'll give them a showdown. I want to prove to Chairman Kuti himself when you will be our central region. Now, if Bawumia wins in central region, you will see what will happen in 2024. I dare them. I am daring Chairman Kuti and the regional executives. So we remember, no say Jimmy Chua, Adi Besi was central region. What do you try? I'm daring Chairman Kuti and I'm daring the regional executives. Would the embassy member will show down? If they win, they will say 2024. What will happen?
And come on, what do you
know? What do you say? And you're ready. But you mean, Carrie?
Okay, I am a depa and come on,
ono so atiasi Asante mantem ha ene ohia nipa binum na yaye campaign Hajia Samira Bawumia enti ene yanemu mighty kefo ahwefo ani matiefo yanemu ewo ne life anamom bia obetu bia no ye de bremo life ama mwahwe na yewiesu nese yekwa yanimu a enukura wo mu ne se yewura Agyapong kufo 2007 na yebobo se yebeyi okandifo na yedikoyi na nado danko akufo ado show boy no prior to the O2 yefo the kind of leadership MPP for e was say ye hwe ne yie was see enye sikanko. We should also look at attitude nimdie nyansa nipa ne wo obetimi aka party na bom ma ye kodi sikachi sikane de odi brewaje nyemom use your conscience okakai wasi se wo pese akokɔ wochi no na wukunu a wode abro ene dodo no abro ene dodo no na de abro no dodo no a sabro na might lead to his death ebi na MPP for ye wo mu ya na ya disika chi enemy wosika na di party ekɔ ditch ya na said dia ene from January 31st ye kɔto aba na ye hwɛ de obetima aka party na bomu ye hwɛ de obetimi de party na konkan oka asɛm bi na asɛm no so ye me de wo se party no MPP for nkoa ye to aba na ye nya 50+1 vote. That is the truth. You might need other minority ubehia akuakuo political party akuakuo ni dombia omuso wo enkuakuo nkituwa mu no ma ba beka ho ansa na watimi across 50+1 vote na yeye minority trouble no ayipemu no anya bia no ye betimi akom ho so mo meka yeye ho yewura Agyapong kufo tama ye bie patriotic institute oka asɛmbi wo se wachimai na ufize wati ukwan no ne yire ne ma vote no ebetima duru 10 na wonko a wo so no yire nkrama miensa wo mamienu o munyina ko school wa brochire ye koto aba no antima ndodo no obetima to atia you will lose mesramo se party leadership ene ye weaker anase womu timi fa womu na ensi fomu a the delegates na mo fomu ho no musumu fa mu na ensi fomu ho na mo ankasa mo hwe enipa num no yewura Agyapong kufo advice odi maaye no ebetima to aso na yetimi asuasua bibi afri yewura John Agyapong kufo afutu a odi maaye meka no mensa nkomanim na adano wo chebi no yewura Ken Agyapong campaign was see or catchy na twi so yeti papa fi say ye wo Ashanti a yenim de e wo twi mu oso wo catchy na se bubani atibe atifa ko a manso de se mpa da fi say obi betima ka kire wo say uni oba no ofie obi so betimi aka say oba uni no na ofie oba uni no no ofie dia eye atem didie na oba na uni ofie dia eye kasa eye respect kasa eye enya bamubuo na wo kasa na uni ni ofie a wadi natem enu nti ena bubani atibetia manso empada na yewura otumfo Sante Kotoko hene asema wokae no wasima wasanti sem enyan otumfo anka sema wasanti ni asem no enyan enti se na Kennedy no onti sa asem na se ni so woka no saka so woka twi ma wasanti sem enyan ye nyina ye firi baabi na betena santia enti baabia wajapade ho no eho ana wokra so ye den ewo frise se what develop ana se wodi wajapade enyina wa abrochira tambia wutu abrochire no aba odwene ho na tambia wo ba wo sa akọ ekohwe wajapade se wo dan bi na de ama han ya tambia wo kọ na wo kohwe na wa ye renovation na ho nsensem wadi Asantia enye asantefo nko anatia enti na otumfo pese wo kase yemma asantini wadi enyawa obeka kire ense santifoi momma masanti no enyamu wani anatia Asantia as much as say yenuanum bi eso every esrem achichiri ne mbanche nyina no aba betina Asante ha no omu nyina na wo so mo ma Asante se be hia wo mu nyina wo so mo Asante because wasi hye wajapade wa ha enu ntina Bible say ye hye wajapade wo soro na soro no eho ne etie ye enyuma ene de ye kosoro enu ntina o se ye hye wajapade wo de esoro Asantia enipa se no wa Reverend Fuga na eye anwunafo nyina hene na oti Asantia Reverend Fuga enam no so ene etimi nya baabia sese yewura jekum kufuo ebesi ya Wood Village odimu akotene pa Reverend Fuga Asante tenasia opimso tenasia na okobi na ye wa mfante hene na mmia ninsi no ya Asante hene mfante hene e wa Asante region ha otumfo tenasia okobi na otumfo so tenasia ye wo frafra hene ye wo zongo hene nana zongo hene ye wo nana mosi hene ye wo nana dagati hene ye wo nana buzanga hene ye wo nana guruma hene ye wo nana mampurusi hene ye wo nana kusasi hene opemso tenasia saa himfufuo nyina so ba ahimfie ebesom enti so kase mo Asante sem enyanwa wenum nyina ye part of it emre bi atwam 70s no dodo na ko Adebi commercial college ana Adebi commercial school yewura Adebi no obesi ye no Adebi no free Central region say if I'm mistaken obi a bit ma correct me yewura debi no free central region na Ali and Dauda e ho aso na na de dwantoye ho no e ho na Ali and Dauda abrusan kese ye si no asantima mu nyina no na ye Ali and Dauda wan susu no e wo se omuma wo ma Ashanti hia wo mu efiri se wo mu de wo magapade aye den abahihye no asantima mu Alhaji Inusa 70s no wono ene di 500,000 lotto wo de call Abuabu Roxy behwe abrusan osisi ho ani din eda ho Alhaji Inusa besinne Alhaji Naira articulator no were more than necessary. Naira power. Oko Abuabu number 1, Abuabu number 2. Yeah, can number 1 and number 2. You can Abuabu number 1, Abuabu number 2. Nina. Womunina ya Ashanti Mamufu. They live in the Ashanti region. Enti wunti minka say Agyapong obeya na Ashanti he nyina no wonya Ashanti ninti no o ma Ashanti ehia no so as to Kennedy wagyapade a waye nyina wa Ashanti mamu he nyina no e wo so mani hia wo frise enya akanfo nko and Ashanti belongs to them enka se ni enka yifo ya akanfo domafo ya akanfo ofuma ya kanfo so eduru mebi no mo ne Ashanti ye de etwemanso enti yenyi yewura jekumkofo video no ne ehwe afutu a wodi 2 years say
all NPP, true NPP people will vote for us. But then, I don't think we'll make the 50% plus 1 vote to win at one touch. This is why we need to stay together so that it will be attractive to draw other people to join us to go beyond the absolute majority. So anybody who is always full of tension and fighting and that sort of thing, we have to be careful about. The party must stay together. Then, when we've seen such a person, we must also look and see when we present this person to the rest of the country, all of Ghana, he must be the type most people will look at and say, this man, when we sleep on him, we'll sleep. He's a good person, we'll work with him. That's how to get the majority, to secure the majority. So, among the candidates or aspirants coming, listen to everybody. Please, it's not the money they will bring around. If they call you, give you 10 million, and you think because of that you're going. When you want to catch a chicken, what do? You give corn. But then that corn might lead to his death. So it's not money. So the candidate that will come is not the money. Listen, ask questions, see how the mind works, look at its nature, and see whether the party will lead us all together like one family, and then after the party, the nation, the majority of the nation will accept this person for leader. The third thing you must again look for, whether when the power is given to this person to lead us, is the type with the experience and with all due respect the wisdom to be able to keep the country united, to secure the nation, to gain the respect of the forces, the military, the police, the chiefs. Look out for that, because we know that all NPP, true NPP people will vote for us. But then
But if you hear Solia, any dear Papa, if I am watching the answer, Sayang, not the Biayamin Papa more, if I am watching. Yes, you and Kabum, a Kabum, or your dog, such a woman. She never more come. I mean, it's wrong, that comes where actually. So, you baby, obey catcher will say, me and come support. Then, me, many man, never can say a big tree in India. Now, what dear, a Buakani, betray women. A Buakani. Only a woman betray women. Near the Quakuya and young them, and find your person. I'm now saying, Pablo Mono, yet now, man, Kituambo, that discriminating against us. Wake up! You have to wake up and defend Wakasa, Otum Fonsokai, or some more Santa some that discriminating against us. Wake up! You have to wake up and defend Wakasa, Otum Fonsokai, or some more Santa some that discriminating against us. Wake up! You have to wake up and defend Wakasa, Otum Fonsokai, or some more Santa some Why? You go to the north and all MPs gang up. Who give also support to one candidate attacks on you. Lord, forgive them, for they don't know what they are doing. There is no Biawa, a Korea and a pet. But wouldn't you go from and combat tribal, Obahadia, and Yanyako? Tribal politics are possible. Moya Mwa, as a Modia Moon, Modia Moon. This year, Badako says to man with Yansa. This year, Obeka, made a catcher of me. Miss Law Yayan Tino Yamon Visa can Agyapong and members of the court and boy. The boy, a Korean. And I'm my sister, and I'm a demanding. Maybe I'll see a camera for a child. What you call me for your campaign? Who feel not I am for present. So what do you mean away and bar? The Korean, the Benjamin, my sassy, the other year, Monquana, what you call my sassy check. And then the general who for the group and their country. Modi and Modi Masasi, Obi Yadia, Oka, Osopo, Agyapong, to free her, or Bah, no, I bet Panano. No more so my an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. We are not afraid of anybody. Now, a Kuruban Yatino, a minority, a threatening majority. A Kurubaya, this is Ghana. Ghana, one, a minority. A threatening majority because of Yanni Ankasa, Yan Noya Winti. Because Obi Etimi Bekachira me say, Mr. Porto, ideas now are fantastic for Ghana, but me and the Biamano Kasam supporto now, or China, idea, baby. Would the old Biawano, a castle support to me, and no dear, here, Boa Boom. Also, Mamma, some anyhow. You know, I'm going to go. Money for baby. Most of Mamma, anyhow. Danielsa, Ghana, Omufaya, now would be baby, a dear chile,
and someone, you are Kennedy, Agyapong, a comprehend, a kind. You rajikum for Casano Kayan, Bebre abona to form. Bebre abona to form. And Ukrainian say, so what he compare Sia and Kawanunu ni city no, and can could be NDC for. I don't know, no be can be see and see it in one Kremo. A onunti and MPP for etuaba enti se wunti na MPP for etuaba na wo adwene ana se wo adwene bi se wo be running for president. Why don't you make sure say wo de ababedi ho ababedi wo nsem apart from ono what you say apart from Canadian Agyapong all the 5 aspirants no MPP seat ni ye obiaa dia what you say MPP seat no se wo ko obia constituency a ono ne kuta MPP ne kuta constituency wo ko la regu ba omia o make sure say wagi ni seat was am making sure say the whole Ghana ye to aba no ono nko na timi maximizing the vote by 25%. Northeast region no omo vote cross no by 25%. Wo ka say obi see was or support to Canada yes e be gina asase na wo ye den e na wo support to NDC timi gi wo seat sa na ko ya na wo na wo support to NDC man timi gi wo seat na na but meanwhile no bi a wo na wanyi wo anye campaign bi so na wo sheda se wo ti ase because me there ye nyiri ye ho se MPP ni J seat ni mu a obetima jai seat ni mu hwe enu achi asembisi from Asin North delegator omu ko hia Yewura Brian omu nya accident ama ba brantie bi se ni din meka ni ya issue wawu to na ka MP na wo ha anka fi se ko bombo ko nya sa accident no and Yewura Brian crowd will respect them and come to their constituency. You will respect them and come to their constituency. So what you say? Enti eyade bia ye can delegate ebia Yewura compare ko wonti the word delegate na se. Ye ka so be a delegate. Ogina nkrofukuro bia na mu. Nkrofukuro bia na mu, he is the people representative. Our electoral area na wo no yen for the say DHMC Old Town na me na me ye delegate wo hwa me ye police station enipa 860 na eto aba wo DHMC Old Town police station no. I have to consult all of them and find out the percentage sa nipa num no a omo contest no die mi nko yinum emre wo mo a wo mo so benya sa ahonkeka no atu aba no na wo die de bia wo di kremofo atem de bia wo si kremo ba omi aye kremo ni ntini anto aba ama no na se wa kosirem na kremofo na wo a they have to warn the delegates and say they shouldn't vote for you enti sahimfo they are right. Because we must contest abani bebrebe and I know the reason tia and Crawford and person betrobano sometimes we made a wrong choice for them and we don't consult them. So what you say? Are there any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kwa himfie Santehima ayi onyina kan Bawumia ahimfo ahima for Bawumia ya nu ye hu ye besa to ye sanfa omra ye be aba wa fedi ye besa to aba ne ye beso ra homache de bo ene ye nananu makosalai. Yes enti ene wo mo kasa se Bawumia ye sanfa omra o se fra omra o wan kasa Kennedy won krofo koye campaign say no can no vote en krofo no kwala na kasa video no bomi ye hwe producer say after say Bawumia winning presidential slot no why won crowd na no mo ye no can no vote no they went back and go and campaign against the New Patriotic Party one mo ye members where a free manum ye more the evidential one mo ankasa na tiwa na one mo eka
Betty Bibi said no care, no vote. Now me can hope. Okay,
now Kasa campaign.
Yes, in fact, ye Juma etia MPP.
I am no can no vote for.
Sure.
After see Iba Uniano.
Sure.
For yeah, Jumatia MPP. 7 MPP Uniana.
Say no can no vote no. Showdown no. No. And the showdown is say yaka enkoye kasa keke. Ye bibi na ewiasa fa na nyina hu say nokure ye wotumi a yetumi ye den e de ye bibi.
Entimo ye den.
Enti ye campaigning against Osono MPP party no. Na baby bia nso a na MP a owo ho e support Dr. Bawumia no ye edwumatia no.
I see.
Enti okan kwe south ubo midi uko okan kwe south a obi a opua ma okan kwe south ye go opposition ubo
Party.
Mobeti bibi say no care no vote.
Yeah.
Na me ka ho pa.
Okay, now kasa campaign no.
Yes. In fact, ye edwuma etia MPP.
I am no can no vote for.
Sure.
After see Iba Uniano.
Sure.
For yeah, Jumatia MPP. 7 MPP Uniana.
Say no care no vote no. Showdown no. No. And the showdown is say yaka enkoye kasa keke. Ye bibi na ewiasa fa na nyina hu say nokure ye wotumi a yetumi ye den e de ye bibi.
Entimo ye den.
Enti ye campaigning against Osono MPP party no. Na baby bia nso a na MP a owo ho e support Dr. Bawumia no ye edwumatia no.
I see.
Enti okan kwe south ubo midi uko okan kwe south a obi a opua ma okan kwe south ye go opposition ubo
Party.
Yo ene da ho no. Me nana ene kan ye oyiwa enti de nkorofo nko emrantie eken a fe a wo mahu nyame no a wo mo confess no enti medima di se wo mo hyeda ene de Asin Central ema NDC ana asema me kan meboa wo mo si ba bia na MP bia wo bia wo support Bawumia bia no they work against that person and me feel video we buy no so no me who say ye reckon the Agyapong anybody from his team abe refute two allegations said emrantie no eka no wo mo boa so enti se sa na tie dia ene na magie di say the emrantie ne ka no eye nokure enti se northern region upper east upper west north east savannah ayimfo no see wo mo so eye sa campaign no mo yen tumawa atiefo mo amunjaji. Are they not right or wrong? And then no muka na said muka no mubwa. They also have to protect their own. Because abaya ya tu abai. What say 2022 NMPP ye lose abano. Say 2022 ye lose abane dia. And then 2024 Bawumia eko lose wa. What me aka sa asamono. Ah enti mo amu sheda ena mo di Asin Central seat no ema NDC ni no because se omu koye campaign e wo baby a MP e support Bawumia na ya to atia no a eno kra no e din se wan kasa wugya wudie e di ama NDC fo enti ahwefo mo ankasa mo hwe we na mo ankasa munya no na 2023 Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia oba Islamic school na obeka asembi mumientie 2023 asemu a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eba Islamic school no a obeka aye no.
We should never allow religion to divide us. The MPP brings people together. We have fought elections on issues. We have elected people on merit. We will not make elections a fight about you being a Muslim or you being a Christian. It is about what you can do for the people of Ghana, your vision and what you can do. So let us stick to the issues.
And ukwe woman say yentimi ma amanyo sem no emfa enchichiri yesum yentimi ma amanyo sem emma yesum emfa ndane ntokwa Kennedy eka sembi wose ni nana ese adin eyewode ade de eyewode whereby you don't need anybody's help So one teacher ya be cheni twi nase. Say adini ya wodia, you don't need anybody's help. Na say ube ye obi mu a gise o man nipa no adwuma say o meye ne tuanika. But it's not about the elections. Elections is what about say you don't need anybody. Any na Agyapong kofo kan was say MP before nyina to abana yen reach 50 plus 1 vote. So we might need other minority group. We might need them. And you ko abuakwa ukoka say chebi abuakwa ukoka say adini yawode we should also stand up and fight against the minority. And too much about swasi. Can I debate about swasi and mibusa say on a minority ni wo. Ubetima ba adura. Say cheduma si dey say akanfo ne wo. Ena se wo hwe voting party na se cheduma si ebetimi atoa ma MPP na adura edi the majority vote no a eno eye mostly nordness no a wo mo outnumber the accounts no wo mo so no edi aba be cancel eno nti na adura seat yentimi nyie no eno nti ma me kira nana adura yene nana mama me muso me chia wa ebru. And some now walk no. There are so many zongos. Share. Opem so misreme kakakra. Santihini. Ene Santihini ka hausa ebeyo nwanwa. Frise. Menshia utwa kwa animu a zabu zongoni. Utwa kwa animu a ayi alaji gruza no fie ne ade ni nyina na wo around no heavy mechiaw alaji gruza wo komenhia omokokoko bebre nim omokokoko na seye nim papa bia seremoni bia wo kun ya ema ye diporto no Amadu Baba Ufri menshia yinfie na wo ko Amadu Baba fia you work less than 5 minutes na wo de aduru ho onanti less than 5 minutes no do Amadu Baba efie se wo ti ase enti Tema Kennedy any delegate ni kasa e wo chebi ho no na adabia na Nasarafo ati wobi Alhaji Mega na mefa Ukraine yi. You are the first national coordinator for Nasara. Na Nasara for Tiobi. Intermediate party no the air can say. Yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nyame ayi ni brane. Said the Yewura Agyapong kofo kan say either you like it or not Bawumia wa win it. Enti se wo ye delegate asesa wadwene. Na media adie bia ennura ne ya no maye research amahunu no se eye no kura obi wo ha odi Bawumi achi ne ye ni suban na o ye no o detail enkrofo binum bini se we nko na o Bawumi ade a ene e meso me nko ho se sa we delegate na o ye sa o ye mfumso free se one hwe ya papa bi ene wiase wo ye papa se papa no ye nyina no na ye nya atwom enti papa no wi ene obi ase a papa we di obekọ heaven nyankopọ so tisoro na ene ha no ena wo hihye atwede se papa no onfiri asamado ho no onfiri atwede na amra ne ho heaven Who for that a yini nyina papa ni di kan ena womo a musu enkrofo bi su di nachi papa no fura aka be 5 steps amana duru nyankopon ho no na papa na sa asane wo nkobi womo di nachi no no obepam we unkobi no apam wo mo wo yesa wo furu no asa bepam nkrofo wo ye no obepam nkrofo wo yesa mata mo anyamedi ma ne se won famra no time no so me to heaven no. Don't be like that person. hwɛ na wanka sɛ asemasi nti asɔre pani wei elder wei sɔfoɔ wei nti asɔre no menkɔ bio wagya ti fie obiara bɛbu ne kran obiara bɛgye ne kran kwa anaasɛ obiara bɛgye ɛbɛbu na tanko different. Salvation is individual affair enti ɛnyɛ ɛma obi ɛnka sɛ obi suba nti no onka sɛ asɔre no magyae sumu nyame na wa na bebu akunta ɛna na me maame tambia na asɔre ni quotation baako wɔ say if you don't go to heaven don't blame Jesus ne bro for what ya no wan ko school if you don't go to heaven don't blame Jesus yɛhwɛ nipa dodo a wɔn mo yɛti party ɔmo yɛ party fo mpanimfo a wɔn mo ɛta yɛwura Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia akyi sɛdeɛ yɛwura Agyakum kufoɔ discretion ɔde maa yɛ no yɛhwɛ yɛwura Dan Botwe nsɛm a ɔno so ɔkafa yɛwura Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia ɛwɔ ne constituency ɛfa ne nkurɔfoɔ ho na ɛwɔ ɔkɛrɛ emom ɔno kora wankɔ bi odiɛ ɛnso yɛhwɛ yɛwura Dan Kwaku Botwe.
Based on my knowledge of the parts na me hwɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so nyinaa na me hwɛ yɛ daakye na meka na masrɛ mo sɛ moma yɛ nyinaa nyɛ ano baako na yɛnkɔto abarama Dr. Bawumia. On my knowledge of the parts na me hwɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so nyinaa na me hwɛ yɛ daakye na meka na masrɛ mo sɛ moma yɛ nyinaa nyɛ ano baako na yɛnkɔto abarama Dr. Bawumia.
Monsieur Fem Kwesiewura, Michael Tanoso Secretary. Okay, so Fem Kwesiewura Tanoso Police Station A organizer or your also constituency. Na me wo Kennedy, but as I stand now, no, we declare support for the Bawumia, and now na pro bono ba arresting up no. And send you Kanya a Toma Comaso, a Edija. That point in the Gina. That's a year agreement at that support Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. Because I did Janet yet. There are several parts anymore, so many years. Omo be a Pasia, Ache, Pasiabo Akoso, say you ra, Asha Yabo, say Oba di Jano, Obey Niti, now the measures are back, saying the was said. Be executive Diana, but grassroots media Sakabia or Bebwaman Saka, and she be so. Now, any nanant. That's it.
Send them you say, Canosa. You can't go for that. Would D. Kane, moi, a quaternepa, nay, Miasa. But enrich ya, Mahmudu Bawumia, by same you over coming, put in it, David Declara say, also may seek the embassy will be also. And no kind of day, and every day because ABC will be one of the Okokabana and my and see, but also Ubemu, Uncle Crabby, Adiaban, Sana tell you, minimum me saying, see, I mean, say, a quiet fast one, you be Juma Abwa, Mahmudu Bawumia, and Ebea was as when yesterday, Yanka for so, Woman United, Emra, you mummy, the Juma.
That message is very poor. A poor message.
Why is it legalizing?
No. You see, the message is very poor. We are all discerning. So you have to bring on board concrete evidential commentaries. As a district assembly common fund coordinator, Ghana Haina, Ethiopia, Yetibiano, Honeko, me Yabini, Nasumeka,
what I say, the NDC, from January to September, common fund Abba, 6 million Ghana cedis Abba constituency more. Who the budget is more, 60 billion. Says Gano, Nyoya coordinator and they, on no Casawa, one MPP address, on no Casawa, and they said, yeah, now honorable Onoma, at your year demand and the second bar, near born of Muslim was said, on year demand, Nina said, that's as a cow when here, there, Messino, or Hopenano, that's as can hear that, Ember. On there, or 2 minutes catch and say, Bangomia, or another by whom, and yet, the answer sound, near for from Badia. Near can hear catch and so then. Oh, what?
Ena da ho no de besi asie wie enokre uja nokre e wo matike ha ko bimbila ko damango ko safulugu birinin gware birinin kabi kantangura ubeba na nokre no dada matike studio ha na wafa wade entro no adoso me ka say there was a friendly conversation and me will be na yedi nkomo na no and was a can for job na me say oh yeah are you sure was ono na afa nipa 7,000 and I'm say what be factories na me say can one factory production say factory no mighty K water drinking water and I say dear sa one factory no yemfa radio stations and tonchen onka when was the time wa or can say Abrante no soldiers eko wuye enkwala mu ko pesoja wuye and o ka say Ken is the answer nam say Ken is the answer say also what be factories and I'm say mo ya dada mo na mo tie on can one factory just a single factory and they produce toilet roll nipa say na wo ho so what you say ni ngugu ni enye research e wo register general ni ehu the proprietor of that company yenyina ya che yenye nkwala mamu me ndada efei na nkwala ni nyina delegate na hunu nukure no na utie honorable Damboche was it based on my knowledge mene Damboche fa adamfo na wa ya brantie na there were 3 guys e wo KNUST Kwabena at Kennedy Dan Kokubotwe and Cheremijan no was I believe say Boachijan in Nyaketwa muna makwata kinti mukwa mu betima yesa research no na running say pe wo mo achi wo mo omo dwane fa Togo ene boy that time no na ye revolution time and at Kennedy ekotena Canada ko ekoye medical year obeye doctor as I say over US minim Damboche minina nanti the first by elections are a bar MPP mu the New Patriotic Party eya Sutifi South and no it was 20th December no slide no 20th December 2000 the year 2000 and then Damboche he was then the general secretary that time na yewura Ajenim Boati every mu amia kosie ni mampon and ono beteki the role as a general secretary he was very very active the time and the win near Sutifi South na yewura George Professor George ewu one near MPP candidate were before elections no ama ne yire eba be di ade and a G seat no demand no ansa na Thomas Brunim ebe contest no prime minister wutu no a ye lusu seat na up basing na yensan kan ye was it based on my knowledge ye pese ye party ni kon kan ya ye nto aba ne den e ma yewura Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ewiase ye we obia be kwa wie ya na se wo ye ne samanse a ne wela ne ma no obia suban and the trade on Fenyano. Even we are in opposition, but we share the sitting president. There were Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Oboni Mwasi. Fi say nyame ene si aban. Nyame ene si aban. Enye adia obebu obia ni even including the delegate obu obia. Enti delegates President Kufuor Tumufo wasi menye ti say akukwa yedi abro dada no. Now that abroad that probably might lead to the chicken's death. About 10 million ne. Adiechia ohubechiro. Menyesa. But use your brains and wisdom and your media ma wonu use what you nyansa ni unim die. Never to aba. Eni na sremufo eni abre no. Na the whole Ghana Esremu Babia, we have Zongo in the whole Ghana. All the 276 constituencies. There was Zongo Babia. And to say, oh, from a minority, then you have to be very careful. Say, for sure, Yentie Papa no, and Yenfire some number. Papa na was saying, if you think education is very expensive, then try ignorant and you will see. Ye Papa no I will no support to you, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Atta is a man of vision with a high sense of purpose. With a high sense of purpose. No intimidation can stop it.
No intimidation
can stop his agenda.
No intimidation
can stop his agenda. Yenya free education must be more ye branch me want to mad one me want to the papa was about Ghana for one
na if any way Nkwadum ehye eye Abuja kwa ase ewo Agona West constituency nti ugidi se NPP aban ayase
why aze dodo yenya bi de man kamen wa ammo kamen we ammo na ma adowa in time of school I headed the class examination out of the class examination all the time. You say education is expensive, try grant know anything. I was ignorant of the fact, don't know anything about it. You say education is expensive, try grant.
So say, although you could not have the advantage that today's modern child is having in terms of education, but the way you are speaking, you are even speaking more eloquent than those who are currently in school. What is your motivation?
My motivation, since I was born, I come across a lot of government which I come. This one is the best so far. That is my motivation.
So that is your motivation?
My motivation.
It is possible.
It will be possible.
It is
possible.
It is
possible. No,
thank you. No intimidation
can stop its agenda.
No intimidation
can stop its agenda.
Aye.